man. He's swerving, man. He's swerving. These niggas be swerving. You see this dude like. Funny thing is, they don't think they doing nothing wrong. They think they doing a great job. They doing one of these to your ass. Like you done did something wrong.
You motherfuckers nodding off with a goddamn foot with that big ass hat.
That's funny. Nigga was nodding all right. Nigga brought that.
Motherfuckers supposed to be reading the Bible. He nodding off at the goddamn hat.
That shit funny as hell, man.
The big ass hat. Tango or something. That nigga can't hold that big ass hat, man. That's what it is.
Tired. That nigga's head's tired. Next thing, yo, we got to lay down for a while. That's funny as hell. I forgot all about that shit. That is funny. Now you're the man. I know you.